One small mistake, and your engine repair bill could hit $2,000. No accident. No warning. Just damage you caused without knowing. Why does engine damage really happen? And which mistake are you making right now? Let's get into it. 1. Skipping oil changes. The number one engine killer. Engine oil is the blood of your car. When you delay oil changes, oil becomes thick and dirty. Lubrication decreases, metal parts grind against each other, heat builds up, that grinding slowly eats your engine from the inside. At first, you won't notice anything. Then comes slight engine noise. Then performance drops. Then one day, engine failure. Most manufacturers recommend changing oil every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers, or 3,000 to 5,000 miles depending on oil type. Skipping one change may not destroy your engine, but making it a habit will. 2. Engine overheating. The silent destroyer. Overheating doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it's just low coolant, a weak radiator fan, a small coolant leak, but inside the engine? Extreme heat can warp the cylinder head, blow the head gasket, burn engine oil, crack internal components, and once the head gasket is gone, repair costs skyrocket. If your temperature gauge rises above normal, that's not a suggestion. That's a warning. Ignoring it is expensive. 3. Using low-quality fuel. Cheap fuel saves money today, but it can cost thousands tomorrow. Low-quality or contaminated fuel can create carbon buildup, clog fuel injectors, cause engine knocking, reduce combustion efficiency. Engine knocking isn't just a noise. It's uncontrolled combustion damaging your pistons. Over time, that damage becomes permanent. Always use fuel that matches your engine's required octane rating. 4. Aggressive driving, especially when cold. This is where most drivers cause damage. Starting your car and immediately revving hard? That's dangerous. When the engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated, metal parts are not fully expanded, lubrication is incomplete, high RPM at this moment creates dry friction. Repeated daily? You're accelerating internal wear dramatically. Give your engine 30 to 60 seconds before driving hard. Drive gently until it reaches normal temperature. Your engine will last years longer. 5. Ignoring the check engine light, that small yellow light on your dashboard? It's not decoration. It can signal oxygen sensor failure, misfires, fuel system problems, timing issues, emission system faults. Early stage problems are usually cheap to fix, but when ignored, they trigger chain reactions. A small misfire today can destroy your catalytic converter tomorrow. And that repair is not cheap. 6. Using the wrong engine oil. Not all engine oils are the same. Using the wrong viscosity can cause poor oil pressure, improper lubrication, increased friction, turbocharger damage. Too thin? It won't protect properly. Too thick? It won't flow correctly. Always follow your manufacturer's recommended oil grade. Guessing here is risky. 7. Poor maintenance habits. The most common reason many engines fail not because of major accidents, but because of small ignored maintenance tasks. Dirty air filters, clogged fuel filters, worn spark plugs, old timing belts. A dirty air filter reduces oxygen flow. Less oxygen equals poor combustion. Worn spark plugs cause misfires. Misfires damage internal components over time. Timing belt failure? That can completely destroy your engine in seconds. Regular maintenance is cheaper than emergency repair. Always. Imagine this. A driver delays oil changes for 3 years. Year 1. No visible issue. Year 2. Slight engine noise. Year 3. Engine stalls on the highway. Diagnosis? Engine seizure. Repair cost: $2,000 to $4,000. What caused it? Neglecting $40 oil changes. Engine damage rarely happens overnight. It builds slowly. And when it finally shows up, it's too late. The hidden truth about engine damage here, what most people misunderstand. If the car is running fine, everything is fine. Wrong. Engine damage is gradual. Wear happens silently. Internal components degrade little by little until one day something breaks. That sudden failure, you see? It was developing for months, maybe years. Simple checklist to protect your engine. If you want your engine to last 10 to 15 years, follow this. Checkmark change oil on time. Checkmark check coolant regularly. Checkmark don't ignore warning lights. Checkmark use quality fuel. Checkmark drive gently when cold. Checkmark follow service intervals. Checkmark replace filters and spark plugs on schedule. These simple habits can double engine life. When was the last time you checked your engine oil level? If you can't remember, check it today. It takes 2 minutes. And it could save your engine. Engine damage doesn't happen because cars are weak. It happens because small problems are ignored. And the scary part? Most engine damage is preventable. The question is, will you fix the small habits now, or pay for the big repair later? In the next video, I'll explain what engine knocking sounds mean and what to do immediately. Make sure you don't miss that.